Hello Internet. Do you ever wonder if a GPU can survive a fire? Me too. Luckily, of all the things that were burned, firefighters rescued the most precious of all. She looks like a charcoal, but it's only on the outside. So let's get her naked and see how dirty she really is. And boy oh boy does she look nasty. And no wonder. I mean, has anyone ever come out of a fire clean and smelling good? Maybe Terminator. In any case, this is one dirty girl, and she needs a shower. I mean, she needs a scrub, so I will give her some. The scrubbing, that is. I'm not gonna give her anything else, she's not really my type. After a bit of cleaning, she looks almost like nothing ever happened to her, so let's see what's wrong. Looks like a short on 12 volt and a blown fuse. Okay, I will be using my heat-seeking device to find what's getting hot. Right there. Looks like a driver MOSFET is short. I'll go ahead and replace this thing real quick and see if she breathes again. Alright, I think after getting up close and personal with her, she's ready to be turned on. That looks like a functional card to me, so let's boot it up and try to run a memory test real quick to make sure that she was completely dead when she was rescued. I want to make sure she won't have any PTSD after that fire, and it looks like she passed. Great, I'll dress her up, give her a set of new pads, which only took like a second, and let her rip. This time, I will throw at her everything I've got. I want to get her stressed to the max, so that I know she won't go crazy when she gets hot. And the last test is the most important one, to make sure that she smells good when she gets hot. I mean, who wants a hot smelly girl anyway? And while she may look a little crusty on the outside, once you turn off the lights, it don't matter anymore. With that said, thank you for watching and have a blessed day. Goodbye.